Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel HowToBrowser. In this video I'll walk you through the entire process of how to fix iPhone camera app missing. This is a really tricky situation because this could happen after iOS update, and some users are stuck on it, and a lot of people are having this problem, so don't worry. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Step number one, or method number one, what we need to do right now is to enable camera in restrictions or screen time. Open settings app, go to settings, and here scroll down until you see screen time. Right here we have screen time. Please now tab on screen time, and from there now you need to scroll down until you see content privacy restrictions, block inappropriate content. Now tab on here, and then so guys, also I want to tell you I had this problem myself. Look, if I'm searching camera, there's no camera showing. So now let's continue from the last step. So as I said, screen time, then go to content privacy, and here content privacy and restrictions, and from here please tab on allow content and privacy restrictions, tab on allow. Okay, and now please guys, tab on allowed apps right here, allow apps right here, tab on allow apps. And now guys, as you can see, this app is not allowed. This is the app that we need camera, and this app is not allowed. So what you need to do is to toggle this button, and please turn this on, and now it's turned on. And now when we go to the search and I'm typing camera, now I have camera, so I'm a happy man. Now if this method didn't work for you, I have another solution. Okay, method number 2 is to reset your home screen layout. So now what you need to do is to go to settings, and from here you need to tab on general, and here choose reset option, and here we'll see erase, and here you'll see erase all content and settings, and also reset. You need to tab on reset, and now you need to tap on this option, reset home screen layout. Now tap on the reset home screen layout, and this will reset your home screen layout to factory defaults. Now all you need to do is to tap on home, reset home screen. Then guys, the built-in applications on your iPhone will be restored to their original configuration on the home screen, and you may also check to see whether the camera icon has returned. Now guys, that's the end of the video. I hope this methods, one of the methods, worked for you. And if you have any questions, please drop your questions down below in this comment section. And if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more how-to videos. Take much care. Take care guys, and see you guys in the next video.